So what we're looking at here today is the Pro Series Clevertouch eCap, which is a multifunction device. It makes it very different than other touchscreens just attached to a PC. So what we have available in this system, we start off with the screen itself. It's a 50,000 hour 4K UHD panel, and it also has 4mm toughened matte glass, so it's a very tough surface on there. We also have built into the system a slot-in tablet, which is a walk-up and use device, can sit on something like guest Wi-Fi and enable people like visitors to come into your company and use that without any attachment to your corporate network. You can slot in a PC. We have options for 4K, i5 and i7 PCs. But again, a lot of businesses may not choose to use our slot-in PC, so that's optional. You don't have to have the PC. You can simply wire in your own NUC or PC should you wish to. Nowadays, a lot of people want to go wireless. They don't want a cable running across the table or running across the floor. So the system has a wireless app, which is completely cross-platform. So you can use it with Apple, you can use it with Windows, you can use it with Android, phones, tablets, and laptops. Also in the box, we have two wireless presentation buttons that are USB based, so you can plug those in, press the button and present up to the screen. All our wireless applications give touch at the screen as well, so it's not just picture and audio, you get touch. So that's built in, and you can also just use Windows 10 mirroring as well if you want to mirror to the screen. When a screen's in power down mode or standby and not being used, it normally just goes to a black screen. So what we have available in our system now is both digital signage and room booking. So when the screen's not in use, you can have your ticker tape, RSS feed, video, whatever you want telling about your company on the screen, and it'll run that automatically. But also, you can build in room booking as well. So if this device is sat in the middle of a floor and not in a room, so you can't put a room booking system by it, the screen itself will turn into a room booking system. It can integrate with Outlook and it can integrate with Google, so it can run off either of those calendars. A lot of what we've just talked about is for in the room, in the space, but a lot of people want to collaborate on whiteboard spacing like this with people remotely. So we have a platform called Stage, and Stage is our own UC platform. The beauty of Stage is it's very simple and easy to use, no software, no installations. It's done through a web browser. So I can now take this diagram that's on the screen, share it with anyone, anywhere, and all they need to do to join the screen is type in stg.live on any web browser, and then they can punch in a 6-digit code I give them, and they'll be able to see the screen. They'll also be able to use video, voice, desktop share, and multi-way inking. That package comes with a Pro Series, and there is no licensing involved, so it's completely free of charge. Our screens are award-winning, so we've won the Innovation Award and the AV Award with this eCap product, which are the two biggest awards available in the interactive flat panel market. It's a 20-point touchscreen, but you'll see when I'm using the ink, it's pressure sensitive. So if I press very gently on the screen and then press on, you see I can thin and thicken and change color with pressure with that. And also we have what's called palm rejection, which is when I can write on the screen but actually rest on the glass. So you can see I'm now touching this whilst drawing, and it's not actually doing multiple lines from multiple touch points. So that's actually called palm rejection. So this is a true multifunction device, and all of this is covered by a 5-year warranty. So the whole package, everything that you see here is 5 years, and it's on site. And then in addition to that, for things like the MDM that runs the remote for the tablet, so your IT team can look after it, your software, your buttons, your mirroring, your UC platform, your digital signage, all of these platforms have no running costs. So if you buy a Pro Series screen, you pay a price for it, and for 5 years you'll pay no additional cost.